Apparently my first video didn't take. So apparently my first video didn't take.
Oh, it didn't?
No. That's the exterior. Trying to dig it out. Show you this pathway. Can't really see the camera, so I'm just going where I'm going. This is crazy. Lake's frozen over. There's really no words to explain this. It's crazy. The snow stopped about 11 o'clock last night. So, while we're out here doing this. That's how deep it is.
Oh.
You break it?
Yeah.
Dang.
Alright, I'll take the light stuff, I guess.
Yeah, I just get the soft stuff. How cold do you think it is?
Huh?
How cold do you think it is?
Probably about 18.
Really?
Yeah, fingers are cold. Yeah, they're gonna have to have a plow in here to get all this out.
They're gonna have to if people are gonna go anywhere. I mean, a car can't pull out in that.
Nobody's going out of here.
Like Clint said, they talked to like a DOT in DC, and they said that the city's gonna be shut down for a few days.
Yeah, the
So-
thing is you know, the longer it sets here, the harder it'll get.
We're supposed to freeze tonight. It's supposed to get down to -7 tonight.
And all this will be like stone.
I know.
That's why it's a good idea at least get it off the exterior if we can.
Might as well. I mean, you won't be able to drive for a while, but might as well get it off.
Yeah.
At least it stops snowing.
Yeah. That's a good thing.
Well, anyway, guys, this is how crazy it is. Yeah. So, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you, and bye.